Alright, so we're on our way to pick up my mom's bird that flew out and went missing. Like what, 3 months ago?
I looked at it and it was 12 weeks. Yeah, 12 weeks ago.
12 weeks ago. And my mom's been like really heartbroken ever since because that was her baby. So yeah, somebody apparently found the bird. How did they find it?
I don't know. So I made a post on Facebook basically saying like when he like left, and I just put, he says that his name is Clyde, and he says that, do you want to tickle or do you want to kiss? And I guess this person, she got him from Parrot Rescue, and she wanted to look and see if Clyde belonged to anybody. And yeah, I guess she thought he was saying, do you want to pickle? But then when she saw the post and read, do you want to tickle? She connected the dots and just wanted to make sure that Clyde was with whoever was his family.
Yeah. So we're on our way to get him. And my mom was trying to be a surprise, but she told her.
Yeah, I yapped. I'm sorry. I had to let her know.
Yeah, but my mom is like really happy that we're about to go get her. So it's about an hour drive, but yeah, we're almost there.
Difference.
So how did you find him?
Well, I just searched on Clyde and Ringneck. That did
but
it.
he was at a shelter?
Yeah, Parrot Rescue.
Yeah.
Did they tell you how they found him?
Somebody had found him and brought him to the rescue, and they tried to search, but they didn't see your post. Did you post it only in one place?
I posted on Craigslist and Facebook.
Yeah, the Facebook one I saw, nobody saw a Craigslist one. It's hard because nobody knew his name was Clyde until he started talking to me.
Really? So he would only talk to you?
Well, once he got to me, then he really opened up and sort of.
Yeah. So he wasn't talking before?
I mean, he didn't say his name anyway, or nobody really understood it. Ringnecks have like a funny voice, right?
Yeah.
So it takes a while, and for a while I'm like, I think he's saying his name's Clyde. So once I knew that, then I could find him.
Oh.
So I just, I've been laid out from my surgery.
Oh, yeah, my mom has been so like heartbroken.
Yeah,
like
clearly somebody loved him.
Yeah.
And I've been playing all those YouTube videos for him, and he's going crazy today. I just figured that out last night. I was like, well, let me just search on Clyde and Ringneck, and then it popped up.
Thank you for doing that.
Yeah. No, I mean, I've been in animal rescue and done all kinds of things in the past. And some of my animal rescues, and then they all come from different stories. But when nobody, myself and Brian, who has the parrot rescue, both are happy to reunite. So
thank you so much.
I'll
go get the little bags. The carrier.
Yeah. So we finally got Clyde. This is definitely Clyde. Huh, Clyde?
Come here. You want tickle?
You want tickle? Can I get a kiss? Can you give me a kiss? Thank you.
Come on.
Are you a dirty bird?
You want to go home?
Are you a dirty bird? Come on, kiss.
Thank you. I love you, Clyde. My mom's gonna be so happy. And you can tell he's happy.
Yeah.
I think he knows he's going home.
Come here, Clyde. What is that?
We started playing the YouTube videos my mom made, and as soon as we started the video, he started doing all the words to the video like verbatim.
Word for word, reciting it.
Yeah, like he knows all the words to the videos he did.
I know, but she's not a real bird, honey. She can't talk.
And he wanted to be so... We were showing him the video on the phone, and he just wanted to be so close to the phone that he wanted to get on top of it. Like he was so excited to hear it.
Who are you talking to? Are you a dirty bird? No, that's not a dirty bird. That's not a dirty bird, Clyde. It's a toy.
was saying he wouldn't talk either unless she put on the videos.
Are you a real bird? Come over here. Are you a real bird? Cheep, 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 cheep.
He is a real bird.
Ready to go home?
You ready, Clyde? Mama's through that door. Oh my God! Oh! Hi, Clyde! Hi, Clyde! Oh, baby! You don't know how much I missed you! You were a real bird out there! You were a real bird! Hi, baby! Come here! Do you want to come to Mama? Want to come to Mama? Hi! Give Mama a kiss! Give Mama a kiss! Thank you, baby! Thank you, baby! You don't know me?
Oh, he does. We showed him the videos.
Hi, sugar!
We showed him the videos and he got so excited and was like,
Really?
He was reciting their word for it.
Hi! 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 Give Mama a kiss! Thank you, sugar! Hey! Hi! Hey, Clyde! What are you doing? Hi, baby boy. Do you know since you've been gone, we got a new home? Look, Clyde. We got a new home, Clyde. While you were out there traveling the world, huh? You left me crying every day. Look at your baby. Look at your baby. Thank you. Oh, look at you. I love you. What you doing? Look at Clyde. Yeah, you. Give Mama a kiss. Thank you, baby. Peekaboo. 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 Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Come here, Clyde! Hi, baby boy! Hey, can you say... Hey! Thank you, baby! Thank you, baby! Look at your baby, Clyde! Thank you, baby! I love you, Clyde! We're Clyde! We're Bobby and Clyde again! You better not ever try to fly away again. Oh! Peekaboo! 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 Are you a dirty bird? Are you a dirty bird? Are you being such a good baby? Huh? Thank you, baby. Look at your baby, Clyde. Huh? Give Mama mama kiss. Thank you, baby. Peekaboo. 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 Hi, chickers. Thank you, baby. I missed you. You want no tickle? You want no tickle? No tickles? Okay. No tickles. Want your baby? You want your baby? Thank you, baby. I missed you, Clyde. I missed you, chickers. I missed you, chickers.